Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to install the drying rack in a Whirlpool dryer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a minute to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drying rack. The drying rack is used for drying stuff that cannot handle the tumbling of the drum. The main reason for the drying rack to be replaced is if it breaks and no longer stays in place, or simply missing. To get to the part, we need to open the door. The drying rack goes in this way. We're going to insert these two hooks into these two holes here in the front in the lint grill, and the back would be supported by the rear bulkhead. And now we can close the door. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.